Don't run now, boy. And I know you thought I wasn't gonna drop another video. Welcome to a new episode. We got her. Gotta get that bag. No, let me stop playing. But it's your boy Tweezy. Back at it again. Go subscribe to Go to Child Entertainment TV. Share, like, do all that good stuff. And I got my little sister back in here. And then we got a little bro in here. So it is. You know what I'm saying? So we out here. What's this? Piedmont Park?
We at Piedmont Park.
Piedmont Park.
We couldn't go
in Atlanta, Georgia. So we couldn't go to the park we really wanted to go to. So we just going out here and
everything be closed on Mondays in Atlanta. Like I don't know why.
Why?
Because I guess that's people going to work. Because everything be closed on Mondays.
I forgot all about
the weekend. So everything
they
be
treat Mondays like Sundays here.
Yeah, I forgot.
So they treat Mondays like a Sunday here, y'all, in the ATL. And what else they do?
Because Sunday they be outside partying.
Sunday is like a holiday for Georgia.
So Sundays is like a holiday. That's the party.
Ain't nobody out shopping and all that.
Ain't nobody out
with
shopping.
their family.
No, they not. They outside.
They outside? So she said they be outside. So we're going to be out here enjoying some sights. We're going to go out here and take a couple pictures. And just stay tuned. Y'all know what it is. It's Tweet. Alright, so we in the park. Look at this lake real quick, y'all. It's pretty nice out here. There's some ducks out there, you know, look at them. Ooh, they dope. See if I can get me a good shot. Over here, y'all. Cool. Got the gooses right there. I don't know if y'all can see them. Let's do a Tucson. Let's do a Tucson. Oh, they right there, y'all see them? Look at that. Ooh, that's a dope little shot. Yeah, we finna go over there and shoot. Can I get that? Take a picture. So you gonna take a picture?
When they had the lemonade braid.
He sure would. Lemonade up. He said, that's the homie for real. I'm out here, I'm rolling. Yeah, you don't want to put it on that, boy. She said she ain't gonna worry him. Ooh, that's a pretty, let me get that dub in. Let me get that shot in.
Walk up the stairs and go to the park.
That's what I was gonna do at first. Ooh, I like this. You see this one right here, though, too. These little flowers right here. So I'm gonna shoot this, y'all. Like, you know. Ooh.
I just take a picture in front of the stairs. And then move me up till you said you can edit. Just move me
Oh,
up
yeah,
to
I
the
can
stairs.
edit. Let's see. And then I want to do a portrait shot of him. So I'm out here doing my photography for the day too as well as I'm in Atlanta. If you don't know, go check out my new page too, Glyph Capture. I will start doing YouTube videos pretty soon for that too as well. So go look for that, Glyph Capture on YouTube as well.
What is that? He looked at it in 1980 and said, dang, that's a long time ago.
Cool.
Taylor, whatever.
I used to take a picture on the stairs.
In front of the stairs.
Oh yeah, I need to take a picture. You can take my picture right there too.
In front of the stairs.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I was gonna go on top, but I was in the middle. But
Yeah, y'all. I'm gonna stop the scene. Stay tuned, y'all. So we got other stuff. So we're gonna take a couple pictures right here. Stay tuned. All right, now you wanna take your pictures? Take some dope pictures. I ain't even gonna lie. It's burning up over here. I'm talking about fireman. So I just got to shoot some pictures of my sis and then myself too. Just enjoying some of these sights, man, in Atlanta. You know, enjoying myself, all that good stuff. So we finna go over here and then hit this other little spot. So stay tuned to that. Huh? Alright, so we got the gooses out here, y'all. I don't know what exactly what they finna do, but yeah. You looking like, hold on, cuz, what you think you doing? You know, you don't want to get too close to them, they vicious. Alright. So, sis and them right there, look at him. It's burning up out here. I mean, it's cooking. So I don't know. Gotta figure out where my sis go. Like, it's burning up out here. I ain't even gonna front. It's hot. Like it's cooking. And I'm just walking through all this little heat, man. Look, if you come to Atlanta, you better make sure you got all your stuff. I'm gonna be real. Water bottle, flash, all that good stuff. I ain't got none of that. Look like an ice cream spot or something up here. I'm finna go see what's up, cause I gotta get something. I'm hot as hell, y'all. Woo, shoot. They spin me arm in the leg.
Gotta get that.
Gotta stay hydrated. That's what we gotta say.
A Minute Maid sponsor this video. This boy is really hard, but these be good.
They just gotta let it melt though.
Yeah, I think we just gotta walk somewhere. Okay, where's Rena at?
She went around there. So now we finna go for this little walk. And I guess she's gonna show y'all if this is gonna be melted yet. Just said don't walk fast. She's trying to see who gonna get to my older sister in the park. She over here in the corner. I'm just walking, you know. But that's what she do. So who gonna get there faster? Where TT at? She done left. Hey, you never said how to do it. You just said try to get to her faster. You said who gonna get to her faster? Yeah, I got you, bro.
Thank you.
She gonna say who gonna get to her fast. We killed her. We went the other way on her. Yeah, nah, she eating his Minute Maid. In the Minute Maid. She in the Minute Maid. Minute Maid slushie. Hey, so what happened? You never said how we was supposed to walk.
Oh, so no. I said because he was following that trail and then he cut through because he saw Caitlin cut through.
I was already cutting through. She didn't ever say what the rules was. She just say, hey, you got to stay in that line. So I just went on the other end. Look at it. Now she eat it. I went through the grass on her, yo. I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick.
Ain't kissing anybody.
Okay, let's do. She
I
said
ain't,
yes.
I
Oh
ain't kissed
no.
a man in, I ain't kissed a man in 6 years.
Dang, y'all. Hey, my sister need a husband, y'all. So if y'all looking for her, hit me up in the comments. Ducks out here eating some of this Minute Maid frozen. Look at the duck. He said, "Where mine at, cuz?"
That's a big duck.
He big, ain't he? He ran him up out of there. He said, "Nah, that's me."
They breathe so hard.
Man, he talking about that's his food. He running him off the block. he gone. Look. He said, "Cuz you ain't getting on me." Now the other one, I
I
don't
feel
know.
like
This.
ducks got the best type of swimming.
Man, they is. This boy is cold.
That's what you be
Look at this dude with this horn. Oh, he's trying to get on you.
That's what you sound like Antoine.
All right there.
But you always be having
They
this
beefing.
stick.
Look.
Oh, they fighting over a girl.
No, they fighting over. His horn was up and everything. His horn went back down, y'all. Look, they eating. They trying to eat. Oh, they all dang. They out here.
Oh, he got his up too.
Okay, that's a big piece, Kaylin. Dang.
I love horns on them, bro. I don't know
No,
what
they
do.
signaling to tell them there's food over here. That's
Oh, that's dope. That's a dope way of communicating. I ain't gonna lie.
because they all of them was doing it.
I'm gonna start fishing.
Wow.
They trying to make it like Paris and stuff, but this is
And
they
yeah,
need to stop.
and
They trying so
Soul do
man.
it too.
Who do? I know we done seen the goods. They did what now?
Like in Seoul, like different country, like on the bridge, they put locks on for love. Like
Okay.
Paris does it, Seoul,
Yeah, 'cause
South Korea.
you talking about this, y'all. They got these little bricks. They got different stuff on there. Like that right there. Okay, we are here.
Spike ball?
Let's see what they got.
Spike ball.
Oh yeah, you go over there?
Spike ball, you know about spike ball?
Nope.
Spike ball gets lit.
Say you gonna go over there?
Like you grab it, you hit it, bow. And somebody else, you gotta pass it to your teammate before they can hit it. Pass it.
He talking about this guy, y'all. Let's see what he's talking about.
Spike ball, I like that. You get real competitive with the passing. They play. That's because they not athletic.
You see,
Okay, which way y'all want to
this
go?
guy.
Left or right?
It don't matter. We out here.
Or if we go right,
Oh, okay. Oh,
there's a lot of sun.
okay.
I don't want to be no.
So they got like these silver things out here, y'all. I ain't never seen it before, so I might just go see what it is. Like, I'm walking around, like everybody's just doing them, like this park just but it's like my sister, I don't know what they doing, but why they doing that, I'm finna go do me. So stay tuned. Any comments, hit me up. Y'all know what it is, sweet.
Hey, that y'all got off.
That part. So what she said? Oh, they out of here. Yeah, so
Pretty Pomeranian.
yeah, that's the thing. You can go out here and just enjoy your time and be out there like that on the day. In the background, it's blurred out, but they back here. That's in Atlanta, y'all. I got Fightful coming up here, y'all. I don't know what he doing, but she got him running loose.
Yeah, grab your dog.
Fightful running loose. I guess he gonna do him.
Because if your dog bite me,
Ooh-wee.
I'm going to bite
I
you.
finally made it, y'all, to over here witness when I wanted to take these pictures at, but that's a bunch of mirrors. Since I got up close, let me see. Yep. Different type of mirrors with different images, different size. Yeah.
Well, we better go up this way, though.
Look, they hot over there. Look, they tired already, y'all. Ah. Oh yeah, this is dope, y'all. I'm finna take a picture of this thing. Yeah, that's what that is. Different mirrors. Wow. That's something different, ain't it? Stay tuned to that. So y'all, we done with the park. We just went around, took a couple of pics, did my thing, put a lot of pics in the show slides for y'all. So if you ain't, go subscribe to Go Child Entertainment TV, like, share, and keep the notifications on so you can keep getting dope videos like this It's your boy Tweezy. Peace.